What's up everybody, how you doing? Today I bring you a special unboxing. This is the Energizer Ultimate, and the special thing about it, as you can see here, it can charge wirelessly. So this is a power bank, 10,000 milliamp battery with the USB type C. You can charge up to three smartphones. At the same time you can charge wirelessly. So this is a special thing because if you are actually a person who enjoy walking around without cords and stuff like that, this is very helpful. That if you have, for example, earbuds that's wirelessly enabled, we see a lot of earbuds now in the market, smartphone with the wireless charging. So this actually is enabled until 10 watts of wireless charging, which is very good with that price. It's very cheap actually. Let's unbox it and see what is inside. Alright everybody, so this is the box as you can see, and if you open it, it's magnetic, open like that, and you see a lot of information here. USB type C in and out, USB out, and micro USB input. So I think we have a micro USB charging cord. I'm not sure, we gotta double check right now. We have QI certified wireless charging, LCD indicator, so you can know how much battery you have. Dual outputs, so that means dual outputs, two ways to charge the phone. And yeah, let's open up. Just double get it. Now I hope the cords are actually long enough if you want to charge, but alright, so unfortunately it's a it's a small little thing. And by the way guys, it doesn't include any USB-C, it doesn't include any other cords, only the charging cord. So if you want to have any other USB-C cords lay around, you can use it. But anyways, let's take a look at this product right here. So we have a plastic, pure plastic. So this is plastic. This is glossy plastic, so not a stuffy. Yeah, it's plastic. And there you go. So the input is a micro USB, which is this one, which is available. And you have to provide the USB charge out, fast charger, and USB type C. And we have here, as you can see, the information: 10,000 milliamp battery, USB type C, 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, 12 volts 1.5 amp, and wireless charger as you can see, so up to 10 watt maximum. That's pretty okay. This is pretty good. And this is the power. Let's see if it has power here. It has juice. I think it does maybe just 1 point. We have to charge it. But anyways, this is the wireless charge. So if you just put it here, put your phone on top of it, or your wireless earbuds, it's gonna charge straight away. I'm gonna test that later. So we're gonna see how quick it charges, or it's actually if it's functional at all. So yeah. That's it guys, that's unboxing for the Energizer Ultimate QI wireless charger. See you guys later.